Hey guys, welcome back to another video of the series how to root any Android phone. In this video, we will look at how to root any Android phone using Magisk. You will need a custom recovery in order to flash the Magisk. So make sure that you have installed a custom recovery like TWRP recovery or any other custom recovery on your phone. If not, then please watch my other videos. The link will be in the description. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to Magisk's official page, which is the XDA page, and download the latest version of Magisk zip file. Also download the Magisk Manager APK file just in case. If you have downloaded them using your computer, then move it to the internal storage of your phone. If you have downloaded using your phone, then the file must be in the download folder. Now what you need to do is you need to power off your phone and boot your phone into recovery mode. If you don't know how to boot your phone into recovery mode, then you should check out the link in the description to know the button combination for your phone to boot into recovery mode. In my case, I will press and hold the power button, volume up button, and Bixby button, and as soon as I see the logo, I will release the power button while keep pressing the other buttons. Now this will take me to the recovery mode. Now in the recovery mode, you need to go to install and go to download folder and browse for Magisk zip file. Select it and swipe right to flash it. And that's it, you have rooted your phone. Now you just need to reboot your phone. Now you should see the Magisk app icon on your phone, but if you don't see one, then just install the Magisk Manager app using the APK file that you have downloaded before. Now to check if the root is working, you can download any root checker app from the Play Store and verify the root, like that. Now let's see what we can do with the Magisk app. Your phone is rooted and there are lots of apps out there that don't want you to use their app if your phone is rooted. And they use something called Safety Net API provided by Google to check if your phone is rooted or not. And you can find an option in the Magisk Manager app to bypass this Safety Net check. Just press this check for Safety Net and it will download some file and check for Safety Net bypass. If it shows success, then it means your phone passed the Safety Net check, and now you can go to Magisk Hide and choose any app that you want to hide root from. Most of the banking apps, media subscription apps checks for root. So from here you can choose those apps to hide root from them, and you can then use those apps without any problem. Now with Magisk, you can also use modules. Modules let you add functionality to your phone. To download modules, you need to go to download, and there you can search for modules and install them. And from the modules tab, you can also install any module zip file that you may have downloaded. I will list some of the most popular modules that you can use in your phone. The link will be in the description. Now that you have rooted your phone, where should you go now from here? Well, there are two amazing things that you can do with a rooted Android phone. The first is Xposed framework, which lets you use tons of amazing tweaks, kind of like Magisk modules, but more advanced. The second one is Substratum, that not only lets you theme your Android system, but also lets you theme the apps installed on your phone. I highly recommend checking out these videos if you want to have more fun with your rooted phone. Anyway guys, I hope this video helps you. If it did, then give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.